So we are here using inheritance in C++ program. So we have started the C++ program using include IOStream preprocessor directive. So using preprocessor directive include, we are adding the IOStream type to our program, and then we are using the namespace std, which is a standard namespace in which IOStream type is present. Creating a class student in which we have declared two data members as ID and name of type integer and string respectively, and we have declared it as public. Then we are having another class student details, that is stu underscore details, which is extending class student or inheriting class student. So this is here called the child class, as this will be using the features of student class. That is, it will be using the features which are in form of data members or member functions directly in it without redeclaration. So as you can see in the class student, we have declared ID and name, and here without redeclaring it directly, it is assigning value to ID and name and printing it. Even it is not using the object to access ID and name because it is child class of student class. So student here is acting as the parent class, and stu underscore details is here the child class of student, because we have written here colon public student. So this writing this will make student the parent of stu details class. So here directly we are able to access ID and name and assign value to it, and then we are printing the same, that is ID and name. So we can write here endl if you want to move the cursor to new line after printing ID. And then from main, we are creating object for student details, that is the child class, and using the same, we are calling the display function of child class. And also here you can make use of, if you are not assigning values here, then we can use the object of child class to access the parent class member ID, and in the same way, we can access the name, that is parent class member name, and assign value to it. So here I have assigned value as 123 and Ram by accessing ID and name of parent class using the child class object. Now I will compile the program to check if any errors, then I will run the program. So when I run the program, I get the ID and name displayed.